To convert a quote to an invoice in Xero, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a seamless transition from the quote stage to the invoicing stage. First, you need to locate the quote you want to convert, which can be found in the Quotes section of your Xero account. Once you have located the quote, click on it to open the quote details page. On this page, you will see an option to approve the quote, which is a necessary step before converting it to an invoice. Approving a quote essentially confirms that the work has been done or the goods have been delivered as per the quote. After approving the quote, you can convert it to an invoice by clicking on the Convert to Invoice button, usually found at the top right corner of the quote details page. This action creates a new invoice based on the details of the quote. When the invoice is created, review it to ensure all details are correct, including the date, invoice number, items, quantities, and prices. You can also add any additional items or services that were not part of the original quote but are now required. Best practice is to ensure that the invoice accurately reflects the work done or goods delivered, and that all necessary tax and discount information is included. It is also essential to check that the payment terms and due date are clearly stated on the invoice. Finally, once you are satisfied with the invoice details, you can send it to your customer via email directly from Xero. This helps to streamline your invoicing process and ensures that you get paid promptly for your work. By following these steps, you can efficiently convert a quote to an invoice in Xero, making it easier to manage your business finances and improve your cash flow. Regularly reviewing and updating your quotes and invoices in Xero helps you stay on top of your business operations and ensures that you are always in control of your financial situation.